So yeah, pretty much we're in that mode. Just to give you a perspective, these are what the scraps look like. Nothing crazy, but they're only as crazy as you make it. So something very simple. I'm just gonna close the edges of this. Take this and get it started. I'm not using a crazy machine or anything. I do wanna have my Juki one day, but that day will come. So just close this up like such. Once I have it closed, it's easier to work with. Watch this. Boom. Got this done. I flipped it inside out. The reason I flip it inside out is because I do not want any of the seams to show. So I'm gonna flip it back how it's supposed to go. And this is the start of our pillow. A little jean pillow. It's gonna be tough. So, boom. Now look at that. Now we have this. Time to get the filling. Once I have the filling, this is half of what the pillow is made of, really. I'm just gonna get this and just start stuffing it. Making it as fluffy as can be. I feel like this is good, this is a good start. Once I have this, it's as simple as, remember to stitch it back, the back stitch, and now you just sew it across. Quick little pillow, dirty South pillow, done.